As part of our series on growing cut flowers, we've been looking at calendulas. These are lovely, bright, vibrant plants, super in your allotment patch or in your garden generally. You know, they produce lovely, bright blooms, and they're really easy to grow. They're good for pollinators too. You know, they attract lacewings and hoverflies, who are good for eating those horrible little aphids that we get. And also the petals you can add to your salads as well. So calendula is one of my favourite plants in the garden, and I grow them every year. And last year I grew this particular variety called Archshades. So you want to sow them. You can sow them directly outdoors if you like. Probably May's a good time. But if you want to grow them a little bit earlier indoors in an unheated greenhouse or cold frame, you know, probably April to May. And then they will last for most of the summer, and they'll keep on coming. The important thing with them is that you just need to keep deadheading them, keep cutting off the dead flowers, and they'll keep on coming and coming. As I said earlier, very easy to grow. So all you need to do, you know, all sorts of trays you can use, but I'm using this small tray. Just put some multi-purpose compost in, flatten it down a little bit. And the seeds are quite easy to handle, very light, and you know, sow not too thickly. You know, tend to scatter them around like that. Make sure there's a bit of space between each of the seeds, so not too close together. If you're growing them outside, it might be a good idea just to water the soil first, just so that because they are light, they can easily blow away. And then simply it's a matter of covering them up about 1/2 centimetre, 1/4 inch. You don't need to be too fussy about it because they are pretty good, I've found, pretty good germinators. And just tamp it down a little bit, and you know, give it a water. And they should start to come up between 7 and 21 days. If you're growing them outside rather than in pots, might be best to use about 30 centimetres, 12 inches between. You know, plant them out probably end of May, early June, and you should get a lovely crop of flowers all summer. They can get a bit straggly towards the end, but having said that, they do give you good couple of months, if not more, of super blossoms. So there you are. The other thing you can do, there's lots of other possibilities. This is an edible flowers collection, and what we've got in here are varieties. We've got wild pansy, cornflower, marigold, borage, Scottish marigold, and some others. So you know, experiments, but some of these flowers you can actually use the petals to put into your food. So enjoy.